So today I want to show you something. I know a lot of people were waiting for this. Now it's finally out. So I want to show you some secret that you need to know about software, how you can be able to detect faults and know software issues, and how you can fix it. Okay, software you need for flashing and a whole lot of things. Let me know where you're watching me from. It's important. And with that time wasted, let me start the video. So guys, right here we have a button phone. This is a button phone. So I also have Android phone here. I have iPhone and other phones. So a lot of people request, they call me, Father Joe, talk about software, how to flash, how to do this, how to do that. Okay, so today I want to talk about software. Let me know where you're watching me from. I can see 10 people are watching me right now. You're all welcome to my live video. Let me know where you're watching me from. It's important. Okay, so this phone, when you turn on this phone boots normally and goes off, changes out. So as a technician, you should be able to know where the problem is coming from. Okay, check this out. You can see it's showing experience communication, and then the phone gets off. You can see the phone turn off. Let me turn the phone on again. You can see that it's not turning on. You can see it's not turning on unless I disconnect the battery and connect it again. As a technician, you should know where the problem is coming from. Okay, so first of all, I will start with flashing. I have to flash the phone to see if the problem will solve. Okay, so let me start with flashing, because seeing this, I know is a software issue, but for you guys, some technician will not know that this is a software issue. You can see that it's not coming up again. So the software inside this phone is faulty. It's not running smoothly. So let's flash. So first of all, I will check the phone model number. You have to check, it's important. You can see it's Techno 466. So I'll get the flash file for the phone before I proceed. Have in mind that resetting the phone will not solve this issue. So you need to do a full flashing, okay? A full reprogramming. We call it reprogramming. Some people call flashing. Yes, we know as flashing, but you can also call reprogramming. And you have to do a full reprogramming, okay? You have to do a full flashing, which is getting original stock ROM of the phone. Make sure you get the stock ROM of the phone. So for you to get that, you can get it through there are so many websites that you can get it. Okay, I don't need to mention unless you want to know, then you can let me know that. Okay, so for my own, I have the file already. I've already downloaded the file, so I'll go straight to where the file is and open. So right here I have Techno 466. You can see. So this is the file of the phone. This is the stock ROM of the phone, the stock ROM file of the phone. So what I will do now, I'll need to extract it first. You need to extract. Without extracting, you won't be able to flash it. Okay, you need to extract so that the flash tools will understand the file. So let me just copy that. Let me copy out from here. Let me just copy out from here, and let me copy first. Let me go to documents where I save my tools. I like saving my tools here. So let me create a new folder. I don't want to mix up everything, so you can see. Just rename it to anything anything you want to rename to. For me, let me rename to Techno T446. Okay. Oh my god, there's a mistake. Okay. Viewers. Details. Okay. So let me grade the folder again. There's a mistake. Okay. Sorry for that. So make sure you grade the folder. Take note T466. Okay. So this is the folder now, and open the folder, paste. Okay. Let me paste it. Paste the file. Okay. Now you can see the zip file right here. So make sure you extract it. Extract. For the extract, if your system have a software for that, good. But if your system does not have, I mean the Windows that you're using does not have. For me, I'm using Windows 11, so I have a WinRay software installed on it. So make sure you get a WinRay, or you can get any extractor software of your choice. Okay. So let me extract. So now you can see the folder here. So, and here you can see drivers. For the drivers, I have it already, so there's no need for me to install it. But it's important you need to install the drivers if you don't have the drivers in your system. Just come to this folder called drivers and then download the MediaTek drivers and install. It's important. If not, your system will not detect the phone. So here you have the frame wave. So this is what we are looking for. And here you can see files. Okay, you can see files. So you need to select the file that is suitable for the flashing. Okay, you cannot just select any file here. If not, the phone will not turn on again. So let me show you how to do that. You can see you have a whole lot of files here, so don't worry about it. I will show you how to know the exactly one for the flashing. Okay, so here we have the MTK flash tools. If you don't have it, you can just go here and install the latest one. For me, I have it already, so there's no need for me to install. Okay, I have it already here. Please, if you're seeing what I'm doing, let me know in the comment section. Okay, someone says here, bro, what are you doing? Can I know? Okay, I'm teaching you guys how you can be able to flash phones, because a lot of people keep asking me in the comment section, Father Joe, teach us, show us how we can flash phone. So I'm showing you step-by-step process on how you can do that. And the process I'm showing you right now is a full flashing. Okay, a full flashing method. So it's not a factory reset method. This is a full flashing method. Okay, flashing the whole stock ROM of the phone. Flashing the whole stock ROM of the phone. Phone Clinic says here is showing you how you can flash a phone with the necessary flash. Okay, files and drivers. Thank you so much, Phone Clinic. I appreciate it. I've been seeing a lot of your comment. Thank you so much. And there was a day you were going live. I came in to comment because I love what you were doing. Okay, I love that. Keep it up. So like I said before, make sure you get the flash tool. If not, you won't be able to flash the phone. And let's go back. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm doing. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Okay, so now we are done with the files. Okay, we are done with the files. Let me, I don't know if you can. Okay, good. So we are done with the file. So the next thing is getting to the tools. I have the tools already, so I have the tools here. So for the tools, this is the tools I'll be using, MTK Flash tools. I'm using version 5.1, so you can get version 5.1. It works like magic. So let me open. So here you can see this is a portable flash tools. So it's not the one that you need to install first. So this one you can just copy it and put in your flash drive or your external drive, anything you want to put in, and then connect it to another PC. It works without installing. Okay, so this is a portable tools. So here you can see we have a whole lot of files here. So all these ones are very, very important. You don't need to delete. If you delete, the tools will not work. Okay, just allow it to be. Then just slow down to here where we have flash tools. You can see here, you can see application is about 3.2 kilobytes. So let's open. So here you can see the flash tools. Okay, you can see flash tools. Before you start the process of flashing the phone, make sure that you have active drivers installed in your system. If not, you may encounter error. A lot of people contacted me, asking me, Father Joe, I've encountered a lot of error when I try to flash the phone. The problem is that you don't have active drivers installed in your system. Active driver is different from installing the MediaTek drivers and SPD. This one is active, that what the driver will do to your system, it will make your system active to the USB COM port, so that anytime you connect your phone, whatsoever phone you connect, your system will easily detect and then connect to the software. Okay, now we have here download agent, scattered file configuration, odds file, set file, root set file from our download. So make sure you come to this place called option. Make sure you set it to USB downloads through readback, because I'm going to use data cable. So make sure you set it to USB downloads through readback. It's important. If not, the software will not detect the phone. Okay, it's very important. Take note. And after that, here you can see I've already put the scattered file for the phone I flashed before, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, so I'm going to remove it. So I'll just click here, scattered file configuration, and then it opens up here. So let me go back. Okay, let me go to document where I save. Okay, document. Okay, iPhone tools. Okay, here we have the Techno 466. You can see T466. Let me zoom for you guys to see. Okay, so let me open, and here we have the firmware. I open the firmware. Now you can see here we have .cfg. Okay, you can see the scattered file. So this is the scattered file. Once you open the software, once you open the firmware, okay, the software will automatically detect the scattered file. So it's not something that will stress you. You start looking for it. So the software will automatically detect and know this is the scattered file. So you don't have to think, how will I be able to locate it so that I will not spoil the phone? Don't worry, it's simple. Now just double click this and you're good to go. You can see that the file is loaded already. So if you don't want to flash some of the partitions here, you can just untick, but I recommend you tick so that you won't have any error after flashing the phone. Okay, this one is, if you untick, that means either you're doing upgrade, but since I'm not doing upgrades, you don't need to untick. Okay, that's it. Or fixing issues, maybe hanging on board, or just small issues, but I'm doing full flashing. Okay, now I'll click the download. No, USB. So I'll click the download before I start. So you need a USB cable. This is what you need. This is a USB cable. You need a USB cable for this. So 1, 2, ready, and go. So now you can see that these options are no more visible. You can see they are no more highlighted. You can see only the stop is showing. Okay, only the stop button is showing, meaning that the software is looking for the phone. As you can see here, waiting, 0% waiting, so it's waiting for the phone. So once the phone is connected, the PC will start doing something. So let me connect the USB. So the next thing is the phone. So this is the phone. So this is MTK phone, so you don't need to press any button to do the job, okay? This MTK, most MTK phone, don't require a lot of stress for you to flash it, so just one click and it's done. Make sure that the USB is good. So for this one, I don't really know until I plug. So let me do that right now. So once you're ready, go. Make sure that you don't power on the phone. Let me connect. Let me connect again because it's not reading. You can see I connect again. The phone is not even showing charging and it's not reading. It's not showing charging and it's not reading. So for you to fix this, it's very simple. First of all, we are going to check if the data minus and the data plus is still working before I proceed. So here we have the data minus, you can see. On the light. So here we have the data minus here and the data plus, okay? So let me disconnect this. Now I'm looking for V charge, okay? V charge. So this is V charge, okay? If you check here, you will see that there's capacitor. So a good technician will know because there's nothing like label here. So there's no name here, but once you see, you will know. A good technician will definitely know that this is V charge, okay? This is V charge. So what I want to do right now is that I'll use a cable to connect all of this and then flash the phone. It's going to be a simple method, so don't go anywhere. Watch me. So you learn. I want you guys to learn and understand. So you need a cable like this. So this is a USB cable. Make sure you get a USB cable like this. This is green color, this is white, this is red, this is negative. I will show you how you can connect it, okay? So don't panic. I will show you how you can connect it, okay? Cleaner. So a lot of technician does not do this. So I've seen a lot of technician, they need to change charging ports before they flash. So you don't need to change charging port first before you flash phone. There are so many things that you can do before you flash the phone, okay? There are so many things. You need to just find a cable like this and connect it, and you're done. So like I said before, this is data minus, data plus. This is V charge, okay? So here you have the green color, white. This is positive. So what do you double battery? One time you listen. One time. Battery or workmanship? Workmanship. Yeah, they've got median. So first of all, positive, connect positive. So now this one is negative, okay? So here is negative, which is the ground. So here we have the data minus and the data plus. So this is the data minus. And here is the data plus. My dear technician, if you have any question you want to ask me, you're free. Let me know in the comment section. If you want to ask me anything, you're free. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'm done with connecting all of this. As you can see, I'm done with connecting all of this. Check this out. Now it's ready for flashing. Hopefully, the system will detect and the phone will be flashed. So now let's go back to our PC. So this is the cable. This is battery. Yeah, welcome.
Charge the battery now.
So you need to charge the battery. Can we go get charge battery? Yes. So now let me connect and see if it's going to flash. But first of all, let me check if the phone will show charging before I proceed. First of all, you can see that the phone is showing Techno. You can see this is a Techno phone. Okay, so now system is detecting the phone, so now we can proceed to flashing. So let me click download. You can see I want to click download right now. Download. Now let's start the flashing. Guys, check this out. If you have any question, you're free. Let me know in the comment section. So 1, 2, ready and go. You can see that it is loading right now. You can see the flashing. Check this out. Check this out. You can see that it is loading. You can see that it is loading. Check this out. You can see. If you have any question you want to ask me, let me know right now. You can see, and boom, we are done, guys. We are done. So the phone is back to life. If you have any question you want to ask me, you're free. Like I said before, let me know in the comment section. This is a live video, so it's not already made video. This is live. You can see it's live and direct. So you can see I disconnect the USB cable and remove battery and put again. So according to instruction here, I need to restore the phone after booting the phone. I need to restore it before the phone is ready for use. Okay, you can see the instruction. This instruction here. Let me zoom for you guys to see in case you encounter this kind of issue. You need to do reset first before. You can see FAT region has been changed. Please format FAT before you try to power on the handset. They say I should format FAT, but you can still do this without even formatting. Okay, just on the phone, reset the factory settings and you're good to go. It's still the same thing. Okay, it still work. So let me power on the phone and see what will happen. Wow, so the phone is booting right now. You can see that the phone is back to life. Now the phone is back to life. You can hear the sound of the techno. So the phone is now ready to use. So you can use the phone and enjoy yourself. Check this out, my dear technician. The phone is back to life. Check this out. So my dear technician, there are so many things that you need to learn. A lot of you guys don't know about. There are a lot of things that I've not yet posted online. Just if I come live like this, make sure you ask me a question. I will try and answer at least 60 to 70% of your question on live, because I do busy repair. So if you have any question, make sure you ask me right now. You can see that the phone is back to life. So a lot of customers, once they bring phone, they don't actually know whether the USB is actually connected with the system. They don't know. What they know is that the phone is charging. Okay, when you ask them question, is the phone charging? They will say it's charging. But when you connect to a PC, your PC can detect it because something is wrong with the data minus and the data plus pin. So you can use this method to fix it, and you're good to go. You can see the phone is back to life. If you can see that they have already worked the phone, they worked the phone because the phone did not turn on. They don't actually know what the problem was. The problem was flashing issue. So you need to start from flashing. Not everything that is hardware. Some of those things are software. You need to know them and work it. Okay, that's it. So I'm done with this phone. I need to disconnect all this cable. Now the phone is back to life. You can hear the techno sound. Bang, 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 bang. So let's disconnect our cable. Check this out. So I just disconnect the cable. The phone is back to life. So we are going to reset the phone later. Resetting the phone is simple. So that one you don't really need any like guideline. Just go to settings and then reset the phone, and you're good to go. Okay. Now our next phone is this Infinix phone. This phone is not turning on, according to the person that brought the phone for me. But guys, I don't know, I need to start another live video, okay, because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'll start another live video. Join me. I'll close this live video and start again with this same phone. Make sure check very well so that you will not say I've changed the phone. You can see, so I've not changed it. I will start another live video right now. I don't want the video to be too long, so I'll start another live video. Check this out. Let me show you my file, bro. Check this out. So I will start another live video right now. Make sure you join me. I don't want the video to be too long. That's why. So love you guys. See you in my next video right now. Let me close the live.